Hey everyone, Mike Mulligan here. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm a certified orientation mobility specialist, and today I'm going to be talking about the pros and cons as well as giving a quick demonstration of the Marshmallow roller style cane tip. Alright, so let's get into it. So the Marshmallow style roller cane tip is very similar shape to the Marshmallow style that doesn't roll that I talked about in a previous video, but it is a little bit bigger. I have one here in my hand. It's shaped like a marshmallow. Hence its name. It's white, but this cane tip is different because it has two pieces that are connected together. So the top piece, the part that comes in contact with the ground, is the part that looks like the marshmallow. And then the bottom part is kind of like a cone, and the bottom of the cone has a hook, which actually hooks into the cane itself. But what makes this cane tip unique is that the two pieces work independently. So the top part spins while the bottom part is stationary, and that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm spinning the top part with one hand and holding the bottom part stationary with the other. So before I go out and give a quick demonstration, I want to give you some pros and cons of this style cane tip. So for the pros, the big one is that it rolls. Many people with the regular marshmallow style or pencil tip really struggle with how much it gets stuck in cracks and the cane comes back towards them and tries to jab them. So this rolling helps to eliminate some of that getting stuck. It doesn't eliminate it all, but it does help. So that's really a big pro. Another pro is that they're relatively inexpensive and cheap. They do tend to last a while too, depending on how much somebody uses them, but they're easy to replace if they break or get worn down. So those are some of the pros of this style cane tip. And now for a few cons. One is that because it is two pieces, sometimes debris does get stuck in between the two pieces, and that slows down the rolling or the gliding of the cane tip. So there's a few ways you can kind of dig out the debris, or you can just replace the cane tip. And then another con is it's a little bit of a heavier cane tip, so if somebody's really sensitive to the extra weight of the cane, this might not be the best cane tip for them. But it's pretty rare that I run into that kind of situation where this cane tip weight makes a huge difference for somebody. Okay, so I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of the Marshmallow roller style cane tip. I'm on a residential sidewalk here, and I'm just going to show you this cane tip in action, just so you can have an idea of what it looks like and how it works. So I'm going to do constant contact and just sweeping it left and right. It's doing a good job of gliding back and forth, rolling back and forth. I haven't gotten stuck yet, which is nice. Oh, got stuck when I hit the grass line, but not in a crack yet. Start making a little bit of a right turn here. So it's gliding really well, even over this kind of beat up sidewalk, which I cannot say for either a regular marshmallow style or a pencil style cane tip. So overall, I find this cane tip to be a really good cane tip. I probably give this one out to most of my adult clients. It's just the rolling action makes it better for most people because it gets stuck less, and getting stuck is really what frustrates a lot of people. So that's a good action. It's relatively cheap. It's easy to buy some online to replace if needed, easy to replace. So in my opinion, I would definitely recommend a Marshmallow roller style cane tip to most people. And thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this video was helpful in learning about this style cane tip. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment. Be happy to answer them. And thank you so much for joining me today. Have a wonderful day.